Hi, today we are on Skills 1, Lesson 2. Just like we did yesterday, you're going to warm up by counting on your fingers. I will do this with you one time, and then we can pause it to let you do this with your parents a few times. For every number I say, I want you to raise a finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, pause this and do that a few more times. Pick back up when you're ready. Okay, we're going to do the knock and count. If you remember that from yesterday, you're going to hear me knock, and I want you to put up a finger for every time you hear me knock. Ready? Here we go. How many was that? Should have been 3. All right, put your fingers down and let's listen again. How many that time? That's right, 2. Okay, put your fingers down. Let's do it again. How many that time? 4. Good job. Last time. You ready? How many was that? Just 1. All right. Now we are going to do same and different again. I want you to get 2 different objects, 2 or 3 different objects than yesterday, and compare some that are the same and some that are different. You can play this whenever you're ready. Okay, now yesterday we were talking about when we're greeting someone. Not that we can do that right now, but you can do this with people in your family. When we greet someone, we usually shake with your right hand. I want you to say, "Hello, Miss Lassiter. I am using my right hand to shake your right hand." And you can do that with people in your family throughout the week. And in that way, hopefully, we will know and be able to distinguish our right hand from our left hand. Okay? Just like yesterday, we're going to do follow me. Get something you can hold in your hand and follow the directions. Move the ball or whatever object to the top of your head. Sit down and lift your foot. I want you to put the ball to the bottom of your foot. Raise your arm sideways and move the ball over your arm. Okay, raise your other arm. Put it under your arm. Okay, remember the hand that you greeted everybody with. Move the ball to the right of your body. Right hand, the right side of your body. Move the ball to the other side. Okay, move the ball around your legs. Okay, now this is going to be something different that we're doing today. We're going to talk about your fingers. Your fingers have different names, so I want you to put your fingers in your hands straight out in front of you. Okay? You got your 2 thumbs. Next to your thumb is your pointer finger. That's these 2. Next to that finger is your middle finger. Then your ring finger and your pinky finger. Okay? I want you to touch your thumb to your pointer finger. Say, "Hello, pointer finger. Hello, thumb." Touch your middle finger to your thumb. Both hands. "Hello, middle finger. Hello, thumb." Touch your ring finger to your thumb. "Hello, ring finger. Hello, thumb." Now touch your pinky fingers to your thumbs. Good job. Okay. Now what we're going to work on is the tripod grip. This is very, very important as we move into writing. You want to make sure that they're holding the pencil the correct way. This is a picture of how they should be holding the pencil. Or we're supposed to start with broken crayons, but if you don't have any of those, then that's fine. Make do with what you have. So just make sure that they're holding that correctly. Then we are going to practice writing lines on page 2.1. Will be pages 3 and 4. And that is our reading lesson for today. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.